Hey guys, Dennis here. And today I'm going to show you how I made a dust collector for my planer. Using just a simple kit off Amazon, I built this little attachment that goes on top of the garbage can here. So I can pull the bag out when I want to use the planer, just throw this on top. We're going to give it a shot in a minute here. But I thought I'd do something a little bit different on this video and just kind of take it easy a little bit. It's been a tough few weeks with the last project, and if you don't mind, I'm going to crack a beer and we'll just talk shop and find a bottle opener. I don't know where I put it. Bottle opener. Oh shit! The opener's open. All right. Okay, where did I put that paper? Okay, so I totally forgot about this build, and I need to post a video today. Crap. Alright, I've been thinking about this a lot, and I have a really cool idea for a design, and I have had no time to draw this up or really plan it, but I want to use a big hammer, hit a mechanism, pop the top off of the beer dramatically. So I need a lot of leverage, so I need some kind of something here, and I think maybe a block of wood that the hammer can hit against. And so I'll have kind of like something here. You can't just put a bottle here and just, I think what I need is something up here to hold the bottle. Say that's the cap, and the bottle's here, and that's not at all the scale. So you put the bottle in there and smash this. Maybe there's a rod that comes up. Yeah, okay, so the hole here that guides it to the put that in there, smash down here, it'll pop up the top. Alright, well let's cut some metal and see what we can do. Oh man, there's not a lot of space in there. I think I'm going to want to make that out of aluminum, the part that holds this. Let's see what I have here for aluminum. Yeah, I can cut a piece off of this, I think. One inch. Yeah, that makes it easy. 1 inch. No idea if this is gonna work. Hold on, this has gotta be curved here. There we go. But wait a minute, I gotta drill the hole first. See, the problem is, if I cut all the way up to the edge there and then go to drill the hole, the drill bit's probably going to walk right off the side, and we don't want that. I'm going to have to drill this hole first and then do the cutout. Okay, there's a little bent piece of 1/4 inch rod here that I found that'll fit up through here. Oh, which way is it going to go? No, that's backwards. I don't know. Let's try it. see anything. Can't eyeball it if I can't see it. No. Oh. Oh, I didn't drill the hole. Son of a... So if I mount this up here... Well, that's still hot. Okay. Now, this up here, like so... Oh, that's in the way now. Uh-oh. Ah, this is gonna come way out further. Time to drill more holes. Or better yet... Ah, now it's adjustable. I think I need to weld the pivot as far down as I can. This is not going to stay put, is it? Oh, come on. Just go down there. There. No. No. Ugh, come on. Alright, don't ask me how I did that, because it wasn't pretty. Oh man, it's not even straight. Well, see what happens. Yeah, oh, it's still hot. Alright, let's see. Now this has to go like this. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, come on, don't tell me. That's not high enough. Okay. That's more like it. Yep. I'm gonna put a stop so it doesn't, so it can't come down too far. Okay, and I can tack it. No, no. Did I do that wrong? Okay. Yeah, I'll just clamp it. Hold on. Precision engineering here. Oh, come on. Fell out again. I should have done it this way in the first place. And how did that come out? Oh, oh, I see. This comes out. And then that can come out. Okay. It's starting to look like something. But we need a spring. Definitely gotta have a spring on a mechanism like this. Let's see. Okay. Alright, well, it's not quite strong enough. Let's see if I can, what can I do? That looks stupid. Ah, almost. Can't imagine why this precision machine is binding up on me. Oh, you know what I could have done? I could have put the spring right on here. That's what I should have done. And then I can put one over here. Yeah, so I can have two. Go down on there. Ow! Oh man, let's try it. To do this left-handed for demonstration purposes here. Here goes. Okay. Yep. Man, this is... Holy sh... Wow. Well, I'd say that worked pretty well. All right. Cheers. Now it's warm. All right, guys, that's all the time I have for today. This is a super fun build. I really didn't know how this was going to come together. I literally just put this all together on the fly, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. You know, this is the kind of thing where if I tinker around with this a little bit more, I spend another afternoon on it. I mean, I wouldn't even want to paint this thing. I think it looks, I don't know, I like the rough look of it. I mean, it's all like everything's kind of falling apart here, but a couple more tweaks and everything. The other thing I wanted to do if I had time, I don't have time, is I thought it'd be really sweet to, if the cap really did fly off, have like a funnel or something on top here that it could go into, and then kind of come around to like a bucket or something to collect the bottle caps. And I don't know, there's just something about spring mechanisms that are just so satisfying. That hammer is totally overkill, but I love it. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that video, hit subscribe down below because there's going to be other videos like this. You guys have dirt all over your face. I want to thank Perry over at SW Dweeb for starting hashtag 2019 Openers Open, and I can't wait to now look and go see what everyone else has made because I'm sure it's going to be awesome. I'd love to hear your comments, so let me know what you thought about this video down below. I read all the comments and I try to reply to them when I can. So, alright, thanks for watching guys. We'll see you next time. Ready?
It works.
Oh yeah, it works really well.
How does that work? Oh.
I'm coming out to play with you guys.
No, you're not.
Well, I am now.